tired of the noise of the kitchen fan while cooking? Vilpi Silent Kitchen, a motorless cooker hood connected to a roof fan, is a complete ventilation solution for the home kitchen, with silence and high performance guaranteed. For many of us, the aromas of freshly cooked food and home baking mean comfort. But cooking at home must be accompanied by a working kitchen hood. The air should be cleaned of combustion products, and the smells of cooking must not be allowed to spread to other rooms, where they can penetrate and linger in upholstery, curtains, and clothes. Often, the greater the performance and power of a hood, the more noise it generates. The noise level of a conventional hood is around 50 to 60 decibels, which is comparable in volume to several people talking in raised voices. You won't be able to watch a TV series or talk on the phone while cooking, and the noise of the hood may disturb the sleep of a young child or disrupt a friendly gathering, especially if the kitchen is combined with the living room. Vilpi has a solution: a motorless cooker hood connected to a Vilpi roof fan. Quiet operation is not the only advantage of this solution. Thanks to the reduced pressure in the ventilation duct, the exhaust air flow through the Vilpi Silent Kitchen is much greater than in conventional cooker hoods. The range of kitchen hoods includes models in both classic and modern styles. Depending on the preferences of the owner and the design of the kitchen, you can choose a built-in, wall-mounted, island, or ceiling hood. Your family and home deserve the best. Vilpi, professional ventilation solutions from Finland.